Hi everybody and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to set up Shopify store for local delivery. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Setting up Shopify for local delivery is super easy. First, what you need to do is head over to settings from the bottom left side of your screen, then head over to shipping and delivery, and then once we are about to be land there, you can see we have shipping and delivery, expected delivery dates, and we have local delivery. So click on set up, and once you do, you can see we can incorporate our details in here, and easily our local delivery will be set up. So pretty easy. Make sure to give a try to this one, and I hope this is something that you're looking for. And yeah, see you in the next video, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.